Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to unbox Xbox wireless controller. Here we have nice packaging. In this side of package we can see what includes inside this box: wireless controller and two AA size batteries. It mentioned as this device can use on Windows 10 devices as well. That's all about the packaging. Let's cut through the seal and open the box and see what's inside. Here is our original Microsoft Xbox wireless controller. Let's keep it aside for a moment. And then here we have two AA size batteries. .5 volt each. Underneath these we have some paperwork. First, warranty guide, and then some other paper with details. Here we have the model number and manufacturing year and some details. Then we have instruction how to use this device with paper guidance. Let's have a look on the device in details. So it's nicely designed with nice curves and shapes comparing with the previous models. Here we have power button, and in this side 3.5mm audio jack for headphones and expansion port here. In the other side we have micro USB charger port, and then here connecting switch. It's feel solid. Yes, it's feel great. If you could see nice little texture here. To have extra grip. It gives some rough feel. On top of this joystick have more depth curves to avoid any slip fingers on it. Good triggers, nice feeling. Here we have the battery compartment. We can insert here that standard AA size batteries, or we can purchase rechargeable battery especially designed for this Xbox Game controller from Microsoft. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect this Xbox controller with the Windows 10 devices. Thank you for watching.